Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson from the MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. It's currently standing on our swim platform back here. And on the back of this boat we have our upgraded Mercury 200 horsepower engine. You got your ski tow pylon right here, as well as a huge sun pad to lounge out while you're hanging out. This also features backrest, and underneath very large storage where I currently have our bow and cockpit covers. In the transom walkthrough, we also have a storage area that houses your batteries and also your battery switch down in here. Now moving up into the cockpit, you can see we have nice wraparound seating, quite a lot of family and friends back here. We have an igloo cooler that's removable, as well as a built-in cooler. Storage under all your seats pretty much. Now moving forward to our helm station, we have a 5-inch Simrad display. We'll show all your charts, fusion stereo, tilt steering wheel, and our helm seat as well as our port seat both have flip-up bolsters. Now on our port side, we have a lockable glove box, which is a nice feature. If you go to a restaurant, tie up at a dock, you can lock your wallet and phones in there, not have to worry. As well as underneath here, we have a large dry storage area as well. Now as I walk up to the bow, you can see we have our powder coated windshield here, block all the wind, and a gate that also closes to block even more wind. Now I'm not a small guy, and I have plenty of room up here in this 21-foot boat to lounge out, hang out while we're running or you're tied up. As well as underneath these seats, you have more storage. Again, this has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. And if you want to talk about this boat or any other boat here we have in our inventory, please give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.